Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuses to check in case you're having problems with the radio. So in case your radio is not powering up at all, or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video should apply to Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, all of the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel. So just under behind this small cover. Now to remove this cover, you just want to gently pop it out using a small screwdriver or even a key or anything you have handy. And on the back side of that cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And here you have access to all of the fuses. Now you have a total of 3 fuses to check. First fuse will be this red 10 amp fuse located right here. This is fuse number 22. Then you have a fuse number 24, which is this 20 amp fuse located here. And then you have fuse number 26, which will be this yellow 20 amp fuse. So this one, and this one. Okay, now in case all of these fuses prove to be good, next step would be to scan the system, scan the PCM using higher end OBD2 scanner just to see if there are any codes in the module. And if there is no codes, then you have to troubleshoot a bit more, start checking the wiring behind the radio, check the wires at the door jambs, behind the rubber sleeves, and things like that. But most likely you will have issue with the fuse or the software. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.